Welcome to our quick guide on converting your Nano Banana Pro images into editable SVG files using Recraft.ai. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Recraft.ai website. It's user-friendly and designed for seamless interaction. Next, upload your Nano Banana Pro image. Simply drag and drop the file into the upload section. Once uploaded, Recraft.ai will process the image. This only takes a few seconds. After processing, you'll see a preview of your SVG file. Review it to ensure it's perfect for your needs. Finally, click Download. Your editable SVG file is now ready for use in design projects. Now that you have your SVG file, let's explore how you can use it effectively. Utilize your SVG in graphic design software for limitless creativity. You can resize without losing quality, perfect for logos and illustrations. Also, integrate your SVG files into websites for sharper graphics. With Recraft.ai, your designs can go from basic to extraordinary in just minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try Recraft.ai and unleash your creativity today.